Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to move funds from Binance.us to your Trust Wallet or Metamask for use on Binance Smart Chain. So let's get into it. Okay, first of all, we're going to go to Binance.us. Then we're going to click the little wallet tab in the bottom. We're going to be sending BNB, so we're going to click the BNB. Go to withdraw BNB. Put in the amount you'd like to withdraw. Preview withdrawal. Now you're going to need your BEP2 address. That's where we go to Trust Wallet. And we click on the regular BNB here. Go to receive. Copy your wallet address. Go back to Binance.us. Paste that wallet address. There's no memo required for this one. So preview withdrawal. Then you hit withdraw BNB. Then it's going to take you through some verifications. We're going to skip past that. While you're waiting for it to send, you can always go to transaction history and check up on the status of the transaction. It should have received by now, so we're going to go back over to Trust Wallet. And it looks like it's in there. So now the next step, we're going to convert this BNB over to Smart Chain. All you do is click on your BNB wallet. Then you go to More, Swap to Smart Chain. Put the amount you'd like to swap. We'll do 0.1335. Swap. Then you'll see your network fee in the bottom. Send. And your processing. Looks like it's received. And now we have Smart Chain BNB. Now you can go on your browser and you can access PancakeSwap or any of those apps. If you happen to have an iPhone and don't see that browser in the bottom, wait till the end of the video. I'll show you a little trick that might make it pop up. So if you're on Metamask, you're going to use this app as the middleman. If you're just using Trust Wallet, you're good to go. But if you're on Metamask, we'll continue. So now we go over to our Metamask wallet. We're going to switch over to BSC. Copy our wallet address. Go back to Trust Wallet. Push send on our Smart Chain BNB. Put that Metamask address in here. Max amount, whatever amount you want. Next. You'll see your fee, 3 cents. Send. Now you're pending. And we're sent. Now we're going to go over to Metamask, see if it's in there. And it looks like it's already in there. Now you're good to go on Metamask. So we just showed you how to do Metamask and Trust Wallet in one quick video. If that's worth a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Side note, if you don't see your Trust Wallet browser, you can manually enable it by going over to Safari, especially for iPhone users. Type in Trust, enable browser, go. Open this page in Trust, and it should be enabled.